Ready to start earning money with 3 easy steps? The first step is going to be to log into this amazing platform that I share with you today. This app gives people free PayPal money. And the next step is to type in how much money you want. And the last step is to watch the PayPal money roll right into your account. This is a really quick way to score some cash, and you don't need to have any technical skills to be able to do this. Keep listening if you want to learn how it all works, because I'm going to walk you through the process. Before we get into the video, hi, welcome to Money Express, a channel where I share tips and tricks on how you can make money. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Smash the like button down below if you want to see more videos like this one. Anywho, let's get started making money, people. So I'm just gonna go right over here, and you can see right here that PayPal actually sent me money just for logging into this platform. Now, a little bit of a disclaimer, you're not gonna make this much money just for signing up and logging in. There are a lot of other steps that you're going to need to follow, and if you don't watch until the very end of this video, you might miss out on one of those steps and miss out on this amazing opportunity. So I highly suggest you stay with me until the end, don't skip through the video, and make sure that you pay very close attention. I'm going to walk you through all the ins and outs of this platform and how you can get paid with cash codes through PayPal. It's not going to cost you anything to do this. You don't need to have any credit cards or invest any money at all, so I highly suggest trying this out. There are a lot of different ways to be able to do this, but I'm going to show you how you can do this and turn it into a passive income stream so that you don't have to put in a ton of work. Alright, so to be able to do this, I'm just going to go over here to this website right here, and once you do that, a page like this should load. There are a lot of different ways to be able to earn money on this website. You can complete surveys and complete tasks, and then once you do that, you earn points, and then those points become cash. Now, some of the tasks and some of the surveys actually pay more than others, so I'm going to show you how to make the most out of this website. But first, you're going to want to sign up for a free account. Alright, so when you hit the button to be able to sign up for a free account, it's going to bring you to a page like this where you can either choose to sign up with your Facebook account, or you can go ahead and create a username and a password, and then press start making money, and that's going to take you to your dashboard. And this is what your dashboard is going to look like. All of the details are right here. It's going to help you keep track of everything, help you keep track of how much you've earned. So this is a really useful page. Alright, so once you're on your dashboard, you're not just going to want to click on random tasks or random surveys to do, because as I said, there are some that are going to help you make more money than others, and there are some that are really easy to complete and they take less time compared to others. So you could earn more money if you take these tasks or do these surveys. Alright, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is open up Offer Walls, and when you do that, it's actually going to show you a few tasks that you can complete, and you can actually earn the most out of these tasks. Now, for example, there are things that you can download, apps that you can install, and these tasks will actually help you earn money. But there are some tasks on here that are actually going to cost you a bit of money to be able to do. So what you're going to do is look for the ones that are free. Obviously, you don't want to have to shell out any cash to be able to do this, so you're going to look for the ones that are no cost, because it's going to help you earn money without having to spend any money of your own. Once you complete these tasks, you're able to get PayPal money sent to you directly to your account. It's really quick and easy, so I highly suggest you try this out. But wait until the end of the video before you do anything.
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, share this video, and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
So as I said earlier, there are a lot of ways that you can earn money, and if you check out your dashboard, you'll see that you can get paid for your opinions by doing surveys. You can also claim free samples, and all you need to do is submit an email. So it's really quick and easy to do. And if you want to be able to do this, I would highly suggest creating a separate account, a separate email account just for this site, so that you can submit your email, get free samples, and get paid for doing that. If you take a look right here, you'll also see that they do giveaways, and this is a lot of money for a giveaway, so you have a shot at that if you go ahead and submit an entry. So you could earn this much money just for entering with that email. So I highly recommend that you try it out. Now, aside from the huge jackpot, as you can see right here, there are also a lot of different prizes that you can get, like gift cards from Amazon, from Walmart. They even give free beauty samples, and you can get paid to do stuff like this. So it's really cool, and you can sign up with your email account. As I said, create a separate one just for this website, and you can make this much money really quickly. Now, if you run out of things on your offer wall to do, you can always just keep refreshing the page, and there are always going to be new offers that you can try out and earn money that way as well. Another cool thing that they do on here is they hold contests, and if you want to join, you have a chance at winning hundreds of dollars. So it's also something that you want to try and shoot your shot. This website has a lot of amazing offers and a lot of contests, a lot of raffles, all sorts of things that you can join. So just take a look, scroll through and see what you want to do, and you can make this much money. And there are so many cash codes that you can get: Amazon gift cards, Apple iTunes gift cards, Walmart gift cards. You can pretty much name anything that you want. They probably have a gift card for it. Well, now that we're almost at the end of the video, I actually have a bit of a bonus tip that's going to help you be able to earn even more without having to do anything. As I said, you can set this up to be a passive income stream. So this is a great way to be able to earn cash without needing to do anything. All you have to do is sit back, relax, and watch the money roll in. So here on this site, they actually pay you to refer your friends and family. So you share your referral code, and then they give you money just for having referred people. So you can earn 15% of whatever they earn. So if your friends and family start earning here on this website, then you earn 15% of their earnings. So if you have friends and family that are really active on sites like this, you're going to want to invite them, send them a referral code, and have them try it out. You can pretty much share your referral code anywhere. You can share it on your Facebook account, your Twitter account, your Instagram account. Share it anywhere you want and have people click on it, sign up for an account, and you can start making 15% of whatever they earn. So just think about it this way. If you're able to get 100 people to sign up and start making money, even if they only make $1 each, that means that you're getting $15. And that's just a tiny fraction of the amount that you can earn on here. If you invite tons of people, you can make hundreds of dollars really quickly. So I highly suggest trying that out, sending out your link to pretty much everyone you know, and start making some passive income. Another place that you can share your link is on forums, where you can talk about how this website has helped you earn money. And when people sign up from these forums, then you start making a cut of what they earn. You can share your link to Facebook groups where they talk about making money online. Pretty much anything that you can think of, anywhere that you think you could share your link, go ahead and do that and start making money passively. It's a really, really quick and easy way to start scoring some cash, so I highly suggest that you try it out and start watching the hundreds roll in. Anyways, that is the money-making method that I've shared with you today. I hope you learned something new from this video. If you didn't quite understand certain parts, you can always go back and rewatch the parts that you didn't quite get. But I swear this is a really great method to use, so go ahead, sign up, try it out, and you won't regret it, I swear.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.